Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Quant and picking up where we left off in the previous Quant video. And it's been a little while since we talked about Quant last, so a lot has, of course, gone on, especially when we think about the drama that we've had with FTX and how that's affected the entire crypto market. And it's really made some adjustments that needed to be done here with Quant, because now the technicals that I was previously going off of, well, those have been thrown out the window now, because we had a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3, and we thought we were coming down within a wave 4, but then we saw the price now of Quant come down a bit lower, and then from that we ended up having to do a reset on where our wave counts were from the much larger impulses. So what I was originally saying was this was a wave 1, we came down on a wave 2, we went up on a wave 3, this was the wave 4 that was in the works, but see, it came down too low here, and it came within the wave 1. So that's where things now had to be changed. And now this is all part of a wave 1 from a much larger impulse coming down on wave 2. So who knows how things are going to be playing out here. Maybe this might be something good for Quant, but we'll have to see how things do play out. But the psychology of Quant is all changed around now. And I'm not even sure if the dip that we were having is even done yet. So there might be a possibility that the price Quant could still be coming down a little bit lower. And to best show you guys this, is what we're going to do is we're going to actually just zoom in here and look at things here on the hourly charts. So it was looking like Quant had some potential to possibly start making some moves to the upside, and that ends up actually not being the case now. So I was doing some counts here, and it didn't look attractive enough to actually put that in play yet. So let's do a wave count on what we're currently coming down in right now. And I'll say that this is all part of the wave 2 at the moment. And we'll see if there's a possible, if we could possibly be seeing a move to the upside here soon. And what I would say is that if this was the wave 1, this is the wave 2. And I could say that this is all the wave 3. And this price movement right here that could even be coming up a little bit more is part of the wave 4, but just for simplicity right now, let's just assume that we have the wave 4, and then that wave 5 is going to be coming down somewhere. I'll make that adjustment here in a minute after I use the Fibonacci retracement tool and dial that all in. So let's just change the colors here a bit. So let's throw in our Fibonacci retracement and just see how low this wave 5 could possibly be going if it's going to be coming down one more time. So to drop this in, what we can see is that our wave 1 makes up more than 50% of the entire length here. And then if we were to say that this is a wave 4, we can see that it did go up a little bit more than an entire Fibonacci level, went all the way up to that 786 Fibonacci level. So we'll have to assume within the wave 5 that seeing how the wave 1 is at least a little bit more than 50% of the entire move here, we might be able to assume that the wave 5 will be somewhere within that length, and hopefully that would be enough to bring it down at least a Fibonacci level lower than where we're at within the wave 3. So just to make some sense out of this, let's just move things down here a little bit lower and just drag our entire Fibonacci retracement here and just set this right on the wave 4. It's always just really easy to do this. And you can see that the length here of the wave 3 and wave 4 is an entire Fibonacci level. And so we would assume that the wave 5 could easily come down to somewhere within the range of $76 or even lower. So we can possibly be seeing the wave 5 come down somewhere within the price of I'd say $60, because if we're going off of the same length as the wave 1, since that was a 50% of the entire Fibonacci level using the wave 3 and 1 combined, then I would say the wave 5 has the same possibility of being that length, and that would be 2 Fibonacci levels lower from the wave 3. So I'd say that the price is very possible. I'm not trying to sound bearish with anybody, because it's still a possibility that we did complete a wave 5, but in this scenario that we're in right now that we're looking at, this would just be more of an attractive price movement that would make a little bit more sense, in my opinion, and where I would be more confident to be buying back into Quant would be within these levels, within the price of around a price below $80, in my opinion, is where I would be looking to be buying back into Quant and hoping that we would see that next wave, the wave 3, for the much larger impulse to the upside. And And that would be, in my opinion, a better possibility. So that's what I'm currently going with Quant. I know I've gone from being bullish on Quant to being bearish, but I'm still bullish, just waiting to buy in. I'm just waiting for that opportunity to buy in until I see the price come down within that $80 range, because I think that there might be one more leg down. I could easily be wrong, though. I'm not here to give you guys advice. I'm here to just give you my own personal opinion. So keep that in mind. But I'd like to hear what you guys think. Do you think there's still one more drop to the downside, or do you think that was it? Do you think Quant could be making some moves upside now? The reason why I'm going with one more move down as well is also due to the fact that I don't think things are over with FTX. I think that there's still a little bit more things to happen there, and that drama has not finished unfolding. And that's why I would say I'm still expecting a little bit more price movements as well, due to that as well. So the chart makes sense here to me. It makes sense that it could be coming down one more time. So I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about this. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. We talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day and many other altcoins as well. Thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you in the next one.